Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. We've been going with the best sectors in this market, and this market is telling us that there's really not any selling pressure. As we can see in the Dow, after it bottomed out, it's doing kind of a J-hook pattern, still trading positive and still trading above the T-line. However, tomorrow the CPI numbers come out. So that's going to be a good indication of whether the bullish trend continues or whether they end it here right about this level. Same scenario on the NASDAQ. It's trying to hold up above the T-line, so it'll be a very important. I guess the CPI numbers are announced at 8:30 Eastern time. See what the futures are telling us on the open, whether we're in a J-hook pattern or whether they're starting to pull this market back. So the sectors that have been working for us have been the artificial intelligence and the oil stocks. But the one question we get constantly asked is, do you know something when you catch these type of price moves? And the answer is no. There's too much information out there to try to know everything. What we know is what everybody else is doing. So when we see a scoop pattern, we know the expected results are a strong breakout to the upside based upon a flat handle and the scoop. Again, this is not rocket science. This is just taking advantage of the information that we know from investor sentiment, establishing different patterns. We also can use situations that tell us when there's a breakout. Using the 200 as a support level, a big price move could start the next uptrend. Whenever you see these breakout moves, it pretty much alerts you to the fact that there's been a major change of investor sentiment, that you have much greater probabilities of being in a price move like this. So we're not stock pickers. We're not trying to analyze what might happen in specific sectors or specific stocks. We analyze what everybody else is doing in those sectors. We can pick up situations where the probabilities are extremely positive as far as probability factors. Bullish engulfing right off the 50, stochastics in the oversold area, just produces an extremely high probability the next wave is in progress. So when we can see a sector like the oil stocks that have been moving and now doing J-hooks, now it's just a function of going to that sector and seeing which stocks in that sector have the strongest signals or patterns. These are the type of things that we teach in our chat room every day and every Monday night for members, every Thursday night for everybody. But all we're doing is analyzing what everybody else's decisions are, knowing that human nature works the same way time after time. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.